Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about US dollar index and a couple of USD pairs like EUR-USD and pound-USD and their setups. So let's get started. This is the US dollar index monthly chart I made back in 13th April this month in April of 13th, right? This is a monthly chart, right? And this is the level in question, 1753. So it was little chart, a little below that, right? So I said it's gonna go up, hit that level, and then drop, right? So based on that if it's gonna drop, then what will happen? Four pairs, like for example, if it drop, this something like this will happen. Like these four pairs will not this one. Let me see. This is a recent one I made. This is the one, right? So if the US dollar is gonna drop from this, then the US dollar is gonna get weaker. So these four pairs will go up, and these three pairs will go down, right? This is old chart, by the way. So what happened here? Let's go back there, right here. So it's gonna drop. Then three for right now. I'm gonna show you the EUR-USD and pound-USD. That what will happen there. So based on that, this is gonna drop. I made the chart of this euro. Well, this is EUR-USD chart I made in March 16th. That's going to drop here to make a Gertler pattern, and it did, right? It came down exactly where I said that it's going to come on 16th April. Then I made this chart that, okay, if US dollar start to get weaker, like this one here, this chart, right, it's going to drop, then it's going to take this EUR-USD to the upside, like this, right? So this is the one version. The second version, if you pull the fifth from here to here, what is cooking basically is this. You see, from here to here, then this is the 78, 23, then usually it goes to 127. That's another pattern, right? So it might go there if we stay above 0635. Another version, Elliott wave version, will be like this. If it is Elliott wave count, wave one, then this is A, B, C, wave two, followed by wave three to the upside. These all three versions depend on the USD weakness. If USD start dropping from 1753, but if it goes up and breaks 1753 and go up, because lately all the news coming out from for USD are positive, right? Better than expected. Inflation is keep rising, and then everything going up, up, up. So maybe USD gonna get strong even more. So I made another version that this is I just made yesterday. Says okay, just in case if USD break this 1753 and then go to the upside, this is where it's going. It's gonna go here first, and then second maybe here. Second target. The first target would be here, and with that, what will happen? These four pairs now they're gonna go down, and then these three pairs will go up. So based on that, if this thing is gonna go up, then EUR-USD is supposed to go down, and I made this chart based on that. So then if USD continue getting strong, this thing will come. This is two version of the same chart here that usually failed Gertler. Right now it's a Gertler pattern, bullish Gertler, right? But if it failed to execute, and then what's going to happen is that it will go down and make the crab pattern down here somewhere. Right? So that will be the crab pattern like this, bullish crab, right? So it's going to go down, and then you can see this blue count. This is Elliott wave. 1, 2, followed by wave 3 up till here, then wave 4, and then wave 5. That's how it's going to be, right? So both sides are covered, and it doesn't matter if USD is going to get strong. I have short on another computer, short like a 40-minute and 20-minute chart open, and I'll keep watching that which way it's going. 1753 is the bottom line. So this is what EUR-USD is gonna do, right? And I'll take either way is go if it goes up or down. I will take my entries and I'll show you my trades later on, as usual. I do, right? Let's go take a look at the pound USD. What pound USD is gonna be doing if this same thing USD will go down, then it's gonna get weaker, and pound USD is supposed to go up, and this is how it's gonna go up. It is making an, again, this one is also making a very nice setup, X, A, B, C, and D. So I said, okay, 24.47. If we stay above this 24.47, it will go up if USD going to get weaker. What if USD is going to do this, just like, and I just showed you the chart, right? So if it goes to the upside, then what? Then USD is going to get strong. So your pound USD is supposed to go down. And for that, I have this version, right? So this is an exact calculation to the downside. XA, this is, you see this 78%. It went up 23% line and now nicely coming down. Again, the number is 24.47. You have to beat that number. This is not just wrong. I wrote down here a little wrong. 24.46. This is 24.47, right? So if you go below this, it's going to go down here. It is based on pound, USD getting strong, right? As well as pound lately got weaker and then probably going to get more weaker. So it's going to go down, right? So these are, Euro USD, pound USD based on, and by the way, this is the chart I made back in January, actually. This is the chart. Let me show you. Here, see that? So this is a chart that is going to hold here and then go down. I made it in 15 January. So it's now playing out. Let me show you what USD currently doing. Look, this is what's doing. It is holding. This is the current chart, by the way, live chart, right? So it is holding just below 1753. And this is my 40-minute chart. So it's all the way up, extended. So it may retrace. Like I said, it's going to probably retrace first and then go to the upside, right? So I'm watching it with the hawk eye, and I will notify. Obviously, I'm going to post on the Telegram for my subscribers. So this is what is happening, and just wanted to show. And then either way, if USD gets stronger or weaker, Euro USD, Pound USD, NUSD, and then CAD and USD CAD, USDN also going to move, right? So I have set up with all the charts I made up, daily chart or 4-hour, 40-minute chart. I have those charts made with me, and then I give it to my subscribers. So this is what it is, and just wanted to show you that if USD move, I will take my trades and I will post as usual that I post, right? And by the way, what the heck the setup is? This is how the setup. If the pound USD, if or USD both, right? If they're gonna go down, I need a setup like this, more clear. Let me see if I can. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay. This is a very clear short setup, right? This is a long setup. This is a long setup, and this is a short setup. So I need something like that on a 20-minute chart or 7-minute chart. So 120 pips. See that beautiful drop, pound cat. So what is this setup? This the yellow line must be below the black. This indicator all the way up, turning to the downside. Price making lower high. Blue candles going into this area and coming out with red candle. This is a short setup. Let's see if we can find the long setup to show. This is a long setup, just the opposite. Yellow line is above the black. This indicates all the way down, turning to the upside. The price is making higher low, and then red candle coming into this area in the wave, and then coming out with blue candles and open the trend, right? But obviously, this is not the only thing. I just showed you that how I watch the index and the higher time frame setups, right? Daily setups or weekly chart or daily chart setup, that what is, or maybe 40-minute chart setup is also is very important, right? So if you have any harmonic count, harmonic pattern or Elliott wave count or whatever, according to that, in that direction, that if I get my entry and with alongside with the news, right? The news has to be in the same direction, right? If we're supposed to get the USD weaker, then we need to get something bad, some bad news for USD from the USA, right? Or if we need to get the pound, weaker, then we need to get some bad news from UK, and then pound is going to get weaker, pound index, and then pound pair will move. Similarly here, right? So the news, the setup, and after that entry. So this is the whole system, with plan, right? It's nothing random. So we, I plan before ahead of time over the weekend, and now I have set up the charts, all the pairs that I do, and then like gold and oil and all of that. And whatever happens, whatever the news comes in, whichever the direction it goes, up or down, I have the chart made already ahead of time. And now all I have to do is that just look for the entry in that direction. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful new trading week. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos as soon as possible. Right. So as soon as I upload them. Bye for now and talk to you guys later.